So before I get into my next video of the Arrma Typhon with the Extreme Basher brace and shim kit from Madlabz, I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of what I landed on as far as my setup. Of course, I got this GD racing shocks tuned to Madlabz specifications. Got the Outcast 4S arms, turnbuckles, steering turnbuckles, these RC all-wheel drive shafts, steel shafts, which have been lasting, holding up really well, better than anything else I've seen. Plus, they're captured with grub screws here, makes them easy to take on and off when you blow your diffs, you know. And I'll show you a picture up here in the corner of the shafts I got, the shocks I got, the new Surpass Hobbies 3500 kV motor I put in after the Spectrum one took a dump after a couple packs, my BLX 120 4S ESC, and this slipper clutch, tranny, plate, all that good stuff from the Outcast 4S. It's got the nice heavy duty metal spur on it. Got a 20-tooth pinion in it. Same in the back as the front, the Outcast arms and turnbuckles, drive shafts, and the Z Racing shocks. Like I said, I'll put a link up here for the axles, and I'll put a link here for the Z Racing shocks, and maybe I'll put it here for the Surpass Hobbies motor. And they both got fans on them. Yeah. Here's a quick size comparison for you. Nice. My Typhon front, or the Big Rock stock front end is
4-cell battery with a 70
11 inches wide.
It's smaller than most of my 3-cell
Typhon.
I love that, right?
A little over 14 inches wide. Thanks for watching. Peace out.